Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to design a custom t-shirt using Canva in 2025. You don't need any design experience, just follow the steps that I'm about to show you in this video. So to begin with, first of all, you need to come at canva.com and then log in into your account. Once you are in your Canva dashboard, you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on the create option or this plus icon. After doing so, you just have to click on the customize size option, and here you need to enter these values. These will be width 4500 and the height would be 5400. So you need to make sure that the unit is pixel. So once you have added that, simply click on the create new design option. This will be the standard resolution for the high quality print designs. So once you select that, you need to click on the create design option and this type of blank canvas will be opened in front of you. Now over here you can choose the style or the theme. You can use any of the pre-made templates. For that, simply hover over to the left hand section and click on the design option. These are some of the templates that you can add in your board and then you can customize these. You can think about the theme like funny quote, brand logo, or any graphic. For the sake of this video, let's say I want to select this particular design, or this is the design that you have created. Now over here, in order to arrange the text, you will have to select the text, and from here you can just change its font. You can increase or decrease its size, or you can change its color. You can make it bold, italic. So based on the type of design that you are thinking, you can just make that text according to that. So if you want to add any elements into it, you just have to hover over to the elements tab and you can search for any type of icon, illustrations, shapes that match your design. You need to make sure that it is balanced, it is simple design that work best on the t-shirts. Now you can use any kind of transparent background for print. So when you are done with adding your designs into the canvas, you will have to just click on the share option in the top right hand corner of the screen, then click on download. Over here the by default format will be PNG, so you will have to keep it as it is. The only setting that you need to do is to simply select this one, that is transparent background, but this particular setting is paid. So if you are using the free version of Canva in order to design your t-shirts, you won't be able to get the design in the transparent background. For that, you will have to go to the extra step. So you need to just download it from here, and you can use any background remover applications in order to remove the background. So now you can use this design on the shirt if you are selling them with the help of the Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.